Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable voice chat on Rocket League. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your Rocket League application to get started. Once you open up Rocket League, press the escape button and in the pop-up, select settings. Under Settings, select Chat and under Voice Chat Settings, click on the drop-down right next to Voice Chat and select one of the options. Select your preferred voice chat option and you'll be able to enable or use voice chat in Rocket League. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.